showing y'all how I make my infamous matcha. Go get yours so we can cheers. I used to work at Dunkin Donuts, and I just decided, I woke up yesterday, I'm like, I should start sharing my secrets. Okay, y'all, first things first, we're gonna start off with a bottle of purified water. This is one of my favorites. Doesn't matter if it's hot, room temperature or cold, because we're gonna pour our matcha over ice anyway. So yeah, the type of matcha I use is from the farmer's market, and it is really potent. It's all natural. Just want y'all to get a look, and it's very natural in taste too, which is why we're gonna couple it with some sugarcane juice. So if you're making one serving of this, you'll just need 1 tablespoon, and make sure you shake it off. Don't use an entire tablespoon. But since I'm a proactive woman and I don't believe in doing this every day if I don't have to, I like to make mine up for a couple days. So I'm gonna do 2 1/2 tablespoons, and that's literally all you need. This natural matcha is very potent. So now, because this matcha is very tart, because it's natural, I'm going to be mixing in a little bit of sugarcane juice just to get rid of some of that tartness. And y'all, I don't measure anything. I just eyeball, so I hope you can see that. And I'm gonna taste it as I go to make sure that it's to my liking. Then I'm gonna add the water. And this makes 3 of these mason jars. This serving in this small cup. So I'm pretty sure you could get probably a large or extra large. If you had an extra large cup, this would definitely make that. So now I'm gonna do a little taste test just to make sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more sugar cane, because I don't like it too tart. Now for the fun part, and this recipe is very quick, like super quick. If I wasn't talking to y'all, I'd be over it by now. So over the ice, we're gonna be pouring some blue agave. I'm gonna be taking that over this. And like I said, I just eyeball. Back when I was a Dunkin girl, you used to have to do 2 pumps for a small, 3 pumps for a medium, and 4 pumps for a large. But those days are behind us. I'm gonna give this another quick stir, and I'm gonna fill this up a little bit more than halfway. So now for the cold foam, we're gonna set this to the side, give it a little stir. Okay, so now for the cold foam, I'm going to be using oat milk. I do not eat dairy whatsoever, so I'm going to be using oat milk. This is my favorite kind, and I'm going to be using this not so aesthetically pleasing container right here, just a small bowl. And to this mixture, I'm going to be adding some vanilla syrup. You can find this at any grocery store. I'm sorry if y'all hear some weird noise in the background. I'm trying to figure out what it is too. As soon as I get done, I'm gonna see what's going on. Okay, so I just add about that much. The vanilla syrup really gives it that, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna go with our frother. I got this one from Publix for $9.99. Okay, so now that we have blended that to perfection, we're going to pour this right on top. That just looks good. Okay, and for our last final steps, we're going to add this coconut milk ready whip. Like I said, everything is dairy free. And now, to top it all off, I'm going to add some caramel syrup to the top for the vibes. And it tastes really good once it get down to the bottom. And if you decide to recreate it, please tag me. Let me know what's going on, because I know it's the best one you done had, okay? And I'm saying that with my chest.